In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create social media, Instagram post in Canva. We'll walk through choosing the right canvas, customizing a template to fit your message, adding motion for extra impact, and exporting a crisp file ready to post. Start by opening Canva and using the search bar to type Instagram post. You'll see preset options in the correct dimensions. Choose the square 1080 by 1080 pixels for a classic grid post, or go with 1080 by 1350 pixels for a portrait post that takes up more vertical space in the feed. These sizes ensure your design looks sharp and doesn't get cropped awkwardly. Next, pick a template that matches your goal. Browse the gallery or use filters for style, color, or theme to narrow things down. You can also search keywords like minimal, bold, or food to find a strong starting point. Don't worry if the template isn't perfect, think of it as a foundation you'll tailor to your own content. Now, customize the design. Click any text box to edit the wording, then adjust fonts, sizes, and colors, so your message stands out. Aim for clear hierarchy. A bold headline, a readable subhead, and smaller details. Drag the corners to resize elements, and use the color picker to keep your palette consistent. To replace images, just drag new photos onto existing frames and double-click to reposition. Open the Elements tab to add shapes, lines, icons, or stickers. Search for a style that complements your theme. Then tweak size, color, and placement. Keep spacing even and use alignment guides to keep everything neat and balanced. If you have your own photos or short clips, head to the Uploads tab. Click Upload to bring in files from your device. Then drag them onto the canvas. Crop is needed and use Adjust to fine-tune brightness, contrast, and saturation, so text remains readable on top of images. To add motion, select a text box or element and click Animate. Choose a simple effect like fade or rise for a clean professional look, or add animated stickers from Elements for a playful vibe. Keep animations subtle and consistent across the design and preview to make sure nothing distracts from your main message. When you are happy, click Download. Choose PNG for crisp graphics or JPG for a smaller file size. Then select High Quality for the best result. Save it to your device, and you are ready to share it on Instagram. That's it. Thanks for watching.